Come on.
What'd I tell you? Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Rats.
Run!
Hello.
This guy's so much faster than the old one!
We never should have come in the garden.
No guts, no glory.
Are you ever scared of anything? Yeah. Dying alone. That's why I brought you here. Do you know what we do with rats in the city? We find them and we exterminate them. Benjamin!
Follow me!
I can't see anything!
Follow my voice!
I can't hear anything!
Follow your heart!
What?
That way, that way, that way! Play dead!
This is what happens when you make McGregor look foolish, playing carnival games in the shed. You see this, everyone? This is what happens!
Come on, come on! Jump!
Okay, Flopsy, take the bag, go to the window, and you put it over his head.
Okay. Oh. Mopsy, you take the bag, go over to the window, put it over his head.
Got it. Oh,
Cottontail, take the bag. Just give him a wet willy.
got it.
No! You okay, big guy? Close one, huh?
I could have been killed. And not just me. What if he got the girls? This isn't a joke, Peter.
I know. I'm sorry. You're all right, though, right? I've got your jacket back. It's not as symbolic as mine, you know, not being your dad's and all. And it's brown, too, which is a mistake, because you're brown. I mean, brown on brown, who wears that? It's a bit matchy-matchy.
Half the time we think you're naked.
Huh? Anyway, you got it back, and you're okay. No thanks to him. Look at him. Skinny bag of wet. Now turn around and drive us home, you...